Hello everyone, welcome to Electromart 2025, a platform which is powering the future of energy. And today we have with us a man behind the success of Nirmal Wires for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Electrical Mirror, sir. So, sir, how Nirmal Wire is crafting new standards in wire manufacturing?
So we have very recently started zinc aluminium coated wires, which is now a year old. We are grabbing our foothold in the market, and we are also planning to expand our capacities in that product. Plus, recently we also took over the Khurda plant of Hindustan Urban Infrastructure Limited, which has given us a big capacity in aluminium conductors. So now we have a total capacity of 4,000 tons per month of aluminium processing. And we are also planning to expand into high voltage cables. Currently, we are only doing LT cables. So that is our next plan.
Do you foresee any kind of challenges in the Indian market, especially for wires and cables segment, as a prominent name in the wires and cable industry?
So very frankly, I believe the market is very big and everyone has to create their own space. There is no challenge as such, but yes, by the day the market is getting more and more competitive. People don't want to hold stocks. Everyone wants the material just in time. They are following the Japanese technique, so that's good. Let's see what happens.
Yes, today is the second day of Electromart 2025, and it is one of the major events for electric and power industry. It's like Mahakumbh. So, what kind of experience you are having over here, and what is the key major highlight for your company from this edition?
So the experience is good. It is a very good networking platform, and meeting all our existing as well as new partners. So, and if you talk about the key major highlight, everyone is running behind cables, and with the government, policies of 2,000 odd gigawatts of power by 2047, I'm sure there's a lot of work for everyone in the market because generation of power means evacuation of power, and wherever there is evacuation, we all come into play.
As you have mentioned, government policy. So, Making in India initiative is one of the popular initiative by government of India. So, what are your thoughts on that initiative and how it has helped your company?
So the government is very very aggressive with the Make in India policy, and they are promoting all the Indian manufacturers to make more and more products that are being imported into India. And a small example I'd like to give you is with the zinc aluminium wires that we are making. The government is really helping us promote the wires that we are making, and because this wire was being imported from everywhere into India, and since now we are making us, the government is helping us promote the wires to all the consumers of the particular wire in India. So that is good. It's a very good initiative by the government.
Would you like to convey any special message to the Indian customers that are visiting your stall at Electromart 2025?
Oh, I think it's a fair playing ground. There is no special message as such, but yes, there's a lot of scope in the market. There's a lot of growth, and there's one very small line. We always grow together. So you cannot be the only one growing. When you grow, your customers grow. All your partners grow, whether it be suppliers, vendors, customers, bankers, employees. So the growth has to be very, very cohesive and very, very, joint growth. That's it.
Thank you so much sir, for sharing your views with us. We wish you all the best.